I have 38 years experience as a town planner, but importantly in that I've worked in local government and in consultancy. As a consultant, I was a partner and then senior partner of one of the major planning consultancies, and my role there was very much to represent the organisation, to give it presence in the press, in the media, on television and radio. And that's something which I very much see as being the role of Vice President and President of the RTPI. And that's something I think I can bring, which is a value of being used to giving presence to the organisation. The key thing is to listen to members, and I would seek to do that not only through attendance at the General Assembly, at the board, at committee meetings, but particularly in visits around the nations and regions, meeting people both in formal groups and when opportunity arises in informal groups, to gain opinion, to hear the views, particularly of those who perhaps are not quite so closely related to the RTPI, and also to share with them the views of the RTPI to help to develop a consensus of opinion. I've done this on many occasions as a planning consultant and lead consultant on a number of projects from the very major to relatively small scale. I'm used to meeting members of the public and stakeholders, and one event that comes to mind was an evening in Derbyshire, attending a parish council meeting and expecting to sit in a round table with 12 members of the parish council, and finding myself faced with a room of 160 people. We quickly adapted to a theatre style event. I had to improvise a presentation to the room of the proposals and to field questions. Aside from having to be adaptable, the important thing was to keep patient, to keep calm, and to remember to speak in plain English, not planarese. My favourite place has to be New York City. I find that there's a real buzz in New York. There are hundreds of iconic buildings, there are great places and parks, but above all, there is such a huge variety of people, and I always find myself really energised by having been there, apart from, of course, being thoroughly drained and exhausted at the same time.